Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off maps, directions, post spoken audio on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Maps. Next, go down. In here, tap on Spoken Directions. Then, in here, tap on Directions, Post Spoken Audio. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Otherwise, turn it on. And say here, post content like podcasts and audiobooks during spoken directions. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.